Fixing or maintaining your bike without the right stand can be frustrating. Unstable support, awkward angles, and poor build quality can turn simple repairs into a hassle. That's why a reliable bicycle repair stand is a must-have for every cyclist. A good stand keeps your bike secure, adjustable, and easy to work on, whether you're at home or on the go. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best bicycle repair stands. Strong, adjustable, and designed for smooth maintenance. We researched performance, durability, and real user feedback to bring you this list. Check the description for links and latest prices. Number 5. ThinkRider Aluminum Alloy Repair Stand. The ThinkRider Bike Repair Stand is a lightweight yet durable option built from strong aluminum alloy. Its adjustable height and 360-degree rotating clamp make repairs easier from any angle. The foldable design allows for convenient storage and portability, making it perfect for home use or travel. It holds bikes securely while remaining stable during maintenance tasks. Whether you're tuning gears, fixing brakes, or cleaning your bike, this stand offers reliable performance at an affordable level. Ideal for beginners and casual cyclists who want a practical and portable solution. Number 4. West Biking Adjustable Repair Stand with Tray. The West Biking Repair Stand combines stability with convenience, featuring a sturdy aluminum alloy frame and an adjustable height system. It includes a built-in tool tray, so you can keep your tools organized while working. The clamp rotates for flexible positioning, and the wide base ensures solid support during repairs. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry or store when not in use. Perfect for both mountain and road bikes, this stand is a great choice for cyclists who want efficiency and organization in one compact setup. Number 3. Wall Mount Bicycle Repair Stand. This wall-mounted bicycle repair stand is perfect for saving space while keeping your bike secure. Designed for indoor use, it attaches firmly to the wall and holds your bike at a comfortable working height. It's ideal for small apartments, garages, or dedicated bike rooms. The strong frame supports most mountain and road bikes, making maintenance tasks like chain cleaning or adjustments much easier. While it lacks portability, it excels in stability and space efficiency. A great choice for cyclists who want a permanent, clutter-free repair setup at home. Number 2. ROCKBROS Aluminum Alloy Bike Repair Stand. The ROCKBROS Bike Repair Stand is a solid and reliable option designed for serious maintenance tasks. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it offers excellent strength while remaining lightweight. The adjustable height and rotating clamp allow easy access to every part of your bike. Its stable tripod base ensures balance during repairs, even with heavier bikes. The foldable design adds portability, making it suitable for both home and outdoor use. Whether you're a hobbyist or regular rider, this stand delivers dependable performance and long-lasting durability. Number 1. Heavy-Duty Quick Release Repair Stand. This heavy-duty bicycle repair stand is built for maximum strength and versatility, supporting bikes up to 110 pounds, including e-bikes. The quick-release clamp system allows fast setup and secure locking, saving time during repairs. Its reinforced aluminum alloy frame ensures durability, while the wide base provides excellent stability. Adjustable height and flexible positioning make it easy to work comfortably on any bike type. Perfect for professionals or serious cyclists, this stand offers top-level performance, making it the best choice for heavy-duty maintenance and long-term use. A good bicycle repair stand makes maintenance easier, faster, and more efficient. From portable, foldable designs to heavy-duty professional stands, these top 5 options offer great performance for every need. Whether you're a beginner or expert, there's a perfect stand here for you. Which one would you choose? Let me know below.